Hey, lovelies. Welcome to day 5 of the Blitz 2.0. So yesterday we briefly talked about batching your content, and today it's all about being smart about gathering inspiration and how you actually make your batching and your Reels creation a lot more efficient and effective. So what I love to do is actually, whenever I do have a moment and I'm on the Instagram app, I browse the Reels section for inspiration. I look which of the Reels are trending. Meaning, if you're in a country where you do have that little symbol in the bottom left corner of your screen whenever you are on a Reels, when you clicked on the Reels, then you know if there's an arrow upwards, you know this is a trending Reel. So that means the person who used that audio is using a trending audio. And that's great information for you because now you know, okay, it is a trending audio and you want to go save it. However, you do not want to use audios that have already been highly or overly used by other users. Why? Because you still want to go into the sweet spot when the audio is still fresh and trending. What I mean by this is, so check for the arrow, then go look on this audios page, how many Reels have been created with this audio. And if the number is still below 30,000, I would go ahead and create a Reel with the audio. If it's above, then you won't be able to go viral. If that's not your goal at the moment, if that's not the goal with this specific Reel you're creating, then go for it anyways, because you might just want to use the audio and build your brand with it, build your expertise with it, and it might just be the perfect audio that you need for this specific Reel. But if you say my goal is to go viral, then look for those who have less than 30,000 users, right? So that way you actually increase your chance to be on that overview page when people are browsing Reels and then they are hopping on the trending Reels section, and then your Reels your Reel is amongst those. Okay, so what I would suggest you to be doing every single day, make it a habit and just, carve out 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be long. Like, don't go down that rabbit hole where you literally waste hours of your time by checking out other people's Reels. That's not what we want to do, but be very strategic about it. Come into the Instagram app and then go look for trending Reels, check them out, and then you can have a few that are trending and above the 30,000, and then you say, okay, and these are my viral ones. The ones that are still below 30,000, though, heads up, you can't keep for too long in your library because other people might just jump on that trend, and then tomorrow or the next day when you are sitting down to batch your content, it might have just blown up. The number might just be now 100,000 or something, so don't wait too long for those who are trending and in that sweet spot window that I just described. But if you're not too worried about going viral with these audios, then just save them. And so this way, like I said yesterday, it really does save you a lot of time. And if you get into the habit, do this, right? So, and then look into your inside section in your dashboard and see your Reels, which ones you created, and how are they performing? When are you posting it? How did the one that you posted in the morning compare to the one in the evening? And even though it's not about the hour, it's really about the engagement that helps you with the algorithm. The algorithm pushes your Reel, and plus the hashtags you're using. So that's a topic for another tutorial, but I just want to say also, don't just randomly create your Reels without double checking your insights so that you can strategically, the next ones that you are creating based on that info, that data that you got out of your insight section, and say, I'll repeat what is already working. Okay, hope that supports you. Keep going. It's the half-time mark here. So if you are with us since day one, well done. Keep going. Consistency is key. And that's with everything in life, but especially for this real split. We had some amazing results in the first round for people who were really sticking with us from day one to then day 10. So if that's something that you're experience after a few days, it picks up, then please comment below. We would always love to hear from you and how it's working for you. And we are monitoring you, by the way. So we check who's doing what and how it is working, so that we can later on also provide you with feedback. So keep going. Day 5, and share your reel in our group so that we can engage with your content. And don't forget to tag us, Magnetized Soul, Magnetized_soul, Her Money Vibe, and the Nomad Mompreneur. Okay, happy half-day mark.